judge his parents.
Now, you're going to say guilty or not guilty. What do you say?
Judge Caprio was going through his hearings for the day when he came across an immigrant father with a speeding violation.
I've been driving in Africa before the U.S., so I just get my U.S. license like 6 months ago.
Oh, you celebrated by speeding.
No, I didn't see no speed sign on Harris Avenue.
For a while, the father tried to argue his innocence.
I didn't see no sign, so I thought that was like 30, the speed limits and something like that. But when the cop stopped me, he told me that the speed limit was 25. And then he gave me a ticket and told me that I was driving 35.
Judge Caprio asked the man if he had studied the driving handbook that was required reading for anyone getting their license.
Now, you received a driver's license in Rhode Island, right?
Yes.
And you had to study the book, right?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, and then in that book, did you read that unless otherwise posted that the speed limit within the city limits is 25? You didn't read that chapter?
Yes.
Oh, you read that?
I read that, but
you read it.
there are some other places in
I
the...
think everyone read it, Judge.
Yeah. I read that. I read the book. That's why I...
The man's excuse for going over 25 had fallen apart, so he tried to win over the judge by explaining his situation.
I was with my wife and my two babies. They're over there.
Where are they?
So I was...
Where are they? Oh, bring them up here. Come here.
I was with all of them.
Get them up here.
I was with all of them, and I didn't feel like I was speeding because I was just following the cars in front of me. But when he stopped me, I just pulled over. I didn't know why he stopped me, but he told me that I was speeding.
Yeah.
But I was not very looking at my speed when I was driving.
What the man did not realize was that he had just offered multiple witnesses to the judge.
Were you in the car with him?
Yes, I was in the passenger seat.
Oh, did you tell him to slow down?
Well, I didn't feel like we were, exceeding too much over the limit.
Not too much?
No, like...
Just a little?
Yeah, just a little. I didn't...
No, she...
Now we found the honest one.
After his wife confirmed that he was overspeeding, it was his son's turn to do the same.
Say hi. Hi. All right, come up here. Bring him up here. I want to ask him a question.
Once the young boy reached Judge Caprio's bench, he was asked to judge his father.
Now, we're talking about your father, right? Now, you're going to say guilty or not guilty. What do you say?
Guilty.
Guilty. An honest boy.
Then the judge decided to pull the man's leg.
It's official. You are guilty.
No, he didn't understand. He doesn't know what he's saying.
In the end, Judge Caprio gave credit to the defendant's good driving history and dismissed his charge.
Well, you have a wonderful family.
Thank you.
I'm going to give you credit for your good driving record back in Africa.
Thank you.
Okay? Just be careful down there.
I will.
And you have a very honest young man as well. Good luck to you.
Thank you so much.
Judge Caprio was known for showing kindness to kids, but how did he treat students?
Hey, I'm a student, and I'm poor, and I'm sorry.
A great example was the case of Carrie Hopkins, who made the judge laugh within seconds of her appearance.
Can you hear me? I think I can hear me.
You're charged with parking during an emergency. What do you want to tell me about this?
Well, Your Honor, I heard we were going to get snow. I parked at my friend's house.
Where'd you hear that? Who told you?
There was word of mouth.
Who's informing Inspector Quinn?
I heard. My parents said we're going to get snow later as my stepfather.
Oh, your parents. It wasn't the meteorologist, was it? It was your parents.
Correct.
Okay.
Right.
Hopkins continued her story.
So I wasn't aware of how much snow, and my only option for parking was on the street. I was at a friend's house,
Hopkins' car got towed, and the towing company advised her to act like a broke student to get leniency from the court.
So I'm not full-time student at RIC, but I am a student at RIC, and I was told when I got my car back from the towing company that if I went to court, presented myself, and said, hey, I'm a student, and I'm poor, and I'm sorry.
Wait a minute. All right. Inspector Quinn. Right. This is.
What was the name of
wait,
that tow
wait.
yard?
Wait.
Judge Caprio wanted to make a point.
What's the name of the tow company?
There you go.
They were on Thurber's.
All right, it's Durbus Avenue Tow Company, whatever the name is, right?
Yes.
They charged you the full amount for the tow, right?
Yes, sir.
They didn't give you a penny off, not 1 penny, right?
No, Your Honor.
You paid the whole thing.
Yes, sir.
And then the big
125.
shot of the tow company says, listen, you're paying us the full amount, but go to the court and talk to the judge. He'll give you a break.
But Hopkins insisted that she didn't want to break.
Not that I'm asking for a break.
What are you
but
asking
I figured
for?
I'd take my chances because I can't, honestly, Your Honor, I can pay it.
This is twice you mentioned honesty. Now, the more you mention honesty, the more suspicious I'm
Oh,
getting.
yeah, it doesn't look good, does it?
Judge Caprio asked her to think of any reasons why she deserved leniency.
You got to keep thinking of stuff that's going to help you. Can you think of anything else? No.
But the more she talked, the deeper she dug herself.
I figure now that you dropped that one course at Rhode Island College, you must have a lot of extra money to pay for the ticket,
Exactly.
right?
Actually, I can't get refunded for the course because I already paid tuition.
But the judge dismissed her ticket anyway.
All right, Carrie, let me tell you how I feel about it. You paid enough money for the tow. I'm not
Yes.
going to charge you anything for the ticket.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
All right, good, honestly.
Honestly now.
Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
All right, bye.
Carrie Hopkins made the judge laugh and got her ticket dismissed. But what happens when the judge makes a defendant cry? Like in the case of Christian Arroyo, a homeless man who used to sleep in his car until it was taken by the authorities.
When they dropped off the car, they left the plate on it. The next morning, when I got there, the car had a boot. I called the person. I didn't buy the car from the original owner. I bought it from somebody else. I'm still trying to figure out who's the original owner because I don't have no paperwork to the car. There's no title. All I got is a bill of sale. I can't register the car unless I get a title.
You never registered the car?
No.
How long did you have the car?
Just a couple of days. They dropped it off. The next morning, the car had a boot. I stored it because I'm homeless. I live in the car. So all my stuff is in the car right now. All my clothes, all my stuff is living in the car.
Judge Caprio asked the defendant if he knew where his car was.
Do you know where the car is?
No, I have no idea. I came here yesterday. They told...
We could probably tell you where the car is. And go to the tow company and get the stuff out of the car.
All right.
But you're not going to get the car back.
I won't be able to. No, I have no money. Unless I borrow the money, but...
Arroyo went on to reveal that his car had not been towed yet.
When?
No, well, I don't know if they told it, because they told me that they were going to hold on until I come speak to you first.
Oh, so they haven't told it?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
good.
I have no
Oh,
idea.
Yeah. So no, it's still there then, Your Honor.
That's
with all
even
its
better.
belongings.
So Arroyo's main problem was the boot, also known as the wheel clamp that was on his car, and Judge Caprio decided to help him.
First of all, I believe you, okay? And I know when you're broke, and I know when you don't have any money. I mean, the mistake you made was you were driving a car that wasn't registered, had somebody else's plates on it. But I'm going to overlook that, given your circumstances in life. I know you're homeless. It's not easy. You're sleeping in a car. I understand that.
Then he pointed out another problem that Arroyo hadn't even considered: the unpaid fines accrued by the previous owner.
There's $290 worth of fines. My inclination is to keep the car registered in Rosarius Pina's name so that whoever that is, they'll be responsible for these tickets and your name won't be involved.
All right.
Then he brought up the boot fee, a non-negotiable price charged by the entity that takes off the wheel clamp.
Other thing then is for you to get the boot off the car, and that's like a $100 boot fee.
I mean, I could try to make a phone call if I can get the money. I'm not sure, to be honest.
The court's going to impose a $100 boot fee.
Then came the twist that made Arroyo cry.
Boot fee will be paid from the Philomena Fund. You will not have to pay it. The Philomena Fund is a fund named after my mom. It consists of donations that are made to this court for the court to use its discretion to help those people who are in need. So based on that, we're going to use $100 from the Philomena Fund
Appreciate it.
to help you, so that you will get the car back.
In a way, Judge Caprio helped Arroyo get his house back.
I never had this issue before. This is my first time. My dad passed away a year ago, so I've been tough. It's been tough for me.
I understand that. I understand that. Good luck. I'm rooting for you. Hope things work out for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, before the morning is out, the boot will be released.
Thank you.
You'll be able to go and get it.
I appreciate it.